Tonight, the great Darwini will make complexity emerge from chaos.
I am the great Darwini. Behold, the complexity ratchet. The components of potential. Stochasticus. Selectivum. Non-equilibrium dynamicus maximus. Any minute now. Given sufficient time, invisible incremental refinements. Behold, an intermediate transitional form, fully functional in niche conditions. Impossible to replicate, undeniable in theory, and that is where the magic begins.
Complexity doesn't emerge from chaos. It needs a designer. Read more about the impossibilities of evolution at crev.info today.